Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a makeup look or really a sit down video in forever. Sorry if you sound a little congested. I'm having some allergy issues, so I'm going to be showing you just like a today I'm going to be showing you like a summer glowy makeup look. I'm sorry if the lighting is going in and out. It's going from like sunny to cloudy to back, but that's what's happening. I ordered a ring light and it's coming tomorrow, so this will be the last video with this atrocious lighting. Makes you think, you know, why did I not just wait till tomorrow to film it with the light? But we're just gonna pump it out because we got more videos coming. So doing this look a lot lately, so let's get into this summer glowy makeup look. So I'm gonna start off with a primer. I've been loving this one from e.l.f. Their Poreless Putty primer. It's supposed to be comparable to the Tarte primer, I guess. So put this all over my face. I hope the lighting is decent, but yeah, I'm so excited to get my ring light. I've had so many YouTube things, like accessories, in my cart forever, and I'm slowly like buying them as they come. I've been working really hard, so I deserve it. We're gonna let that chill for about 30 seconds. It actually like is super hot in here, and I can't turn on my fan because it's gonna be too loud. So we are dealing with it. It is a summer look, so I feel like it's only right that I'm sweating. This foundation, I'm like so crazy about buying foundation. Like, it's hard to find a color that matches. It's hard to find one that works with my skin. You know how it goes. I've been loving this one. It's a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but I love it so much that I don't even care. But they should expand the shades, like they really should. But it's the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel. Yeah. So I've been loving this. It is like super luminous and dewy. I need like my close-up mirror. Stand by. Yeah, it's super luminous and dewy. The coverage is great. I have normal to dry skin. I usually don't really have to set with powder, but this one I do. I find that if I powder it just a little bit, like even all over, that it just looks beautiful, it wears better, etc, etc. So I am gonna set it, but just look at that. It's just so, compared to this side, just so dewy and luminous, and I love it. It's everything. There are some like exciting life things happening, but I cannot say them right now. But some of you do know what those are or what they're going to be. So yeah, I just like don't film makeup looks a lot because I feel like I'm always like using the same makeup, doing the same looks. So I'm gonna switch it up, and like I feel like summertime is the time to really play with your makeup and use all those fun, bold colors that you're not gonna be using in the fall. You know what I mean? Covering up that rosacea right there. Just look how beautiful that is. Like, hello. Cover up all my redness and rosacea. You're gone, girl, you're gone. So yeah, this color is a little bit dark for me. I'm not sure you can really see it on camera. I can see it like in real life, but okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, just put it over any spots or places that need a little coverage. I will tell you, a few weeks ago, like maybe 2 weeks ago, my freaking chin was broken out so bad. I tried a new cream and I was so sad. Like, it just did not work for me. Like, the ingredients were lovely, like it was everything. It just felt nice on the skin, but my skin did not like it at all. So I broke out super duper bad. Like, the worst I have seen my face be in a very long time. And it's still recovering, but it honestly looks so much better than it did like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. More concealer. Yeah, so I'm gonna do under my eyes. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. This is color Fair because, let's be real, I will say, like, this concealer is super light. Like, wow. Just blend it out, you know. Look how that just brightens up, because my dark circles are next level. I feel like they're worse because I'm a flight attendant. Like, I've been living that red eye life schedule this month. Like, I went to bed at 6 a.m. today. Like, the sun was coming up and I was like, this would be a good time to go to sleep. Yeah. So I got up at like 3 p.m. today, so I don't know. I had like no motivation to do anything, so I'm really shocked that I'm even filming a video. I still want my face to be glowy, but I do want to set it kind of down because this foundation just like is super luminous. So let me get my little mirror. Set under my eyes. I just took it on my beauty blender because I feel like it just melts in nicely. And use the powder on the beauty blender. And I feel like no matter what concealer and powder combo I use, my under eyes, like, they just always crease. So if I get a little creasing, I don't get too crazy about it, but I'm gonna set around here on my nose. That's where I get a lot of problems. Like when I'm when my makeup starts to like break down during the day, I feel like a lot of it is right in there. So I make it a priority to set in there. Set on my forehead. Yeah, like I'm saying, like usually I will not set all these places on my face, but with this particular foundation, like I just have to. And I'm not mad about it. Like, it still looks beautiful and glowy and all that. For now, we're just gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow and just kind of give my eyebrows like a little bit of a fill-in, a little bit of a look. Nothing crazy. Don't want to go overboard. We just want them to look a little less crazy, you know? And I'm going with this bronzer from Sephora. I just use it as eyeshadow. Just adds a little bit of warmth and color to the eyes, but you don't have to do like a full eye look. And it just looks nice. Do a little highlight up in there. Little highlight in the inner corner. My foot is falling asleep, so that's cool. Using the Lash Paradise mascara. This is like a really good drugstore mascara. It's supposed to be, I think, the dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara, but okay, hello. It's great. It really coats the lashes and they're beautiful. So, boom, we have lashes. Going back in with that Sephora Bronzer. Give me a little bit of color. It looked like I went in the sun, but you know I didn't, because I am not into the sun, man. Not at all. A little bit on my cheeks as well before I do my blush. Instead of a traditional blush, what I've been doing for this look is using this Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It's in shade 150 Molten Peach. So you get like this peachy color on your cheeks, but you also get a highlighter in one, so it's super glowy and oh, it's stunning. Like, I can't get over it. And you could even use this as an eyeshadow. You can just use it as a highlight, but yeah, you just sweep it on the cheeks and oh my god, like it's stunning. You get a little bit of like this peachy rose goldy color and you get a beautiful highlight. Like, it's a 2-in-1, my friends. It's beautiful. And you can just throw some up here if you want. Throw it on your nose. And as far as highlight, like, you could stop there, but why would you, you know? Why stop there? I am gonna go in with some more highlight. I think I'm gonna do this Molten Gold. It's also by Maybelline, their Master Chrome highlighter. Stunning. I love a gold highlighter, especially in the summer. I feel like I pull more like warm tones, or they just look better on me, so throw that on and pff, stunning. Stunning. Yeah. More highlight, the better. Beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose. Take my beauty blender and just go right on top of it, so I don't like super crazy. It's so beautiful. Put a little on the Cupid's bow. You could just do like a simple nude lip. You can do a lip gloss, or you can get really wild and go for like a really bold color. This is the Sephora collection. It's number 93. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called like French Kiss or French Lover or something in that equivalent, but it is hot pink and it's stunning. Like, I mean, with this look, I feel like I would want to just do like a goldish kind of lip gloss, and you totally could. But we're gonna go with this bright pink because, you know what, why not? Just gonna go in. But yeah, this is the glowy summer makeup look. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And new videos are coming. I promise, I promise, I promise. Yeah, just thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.